How to make money online. 3D modeling and rendering. Create 3D model and realistic render for project. Financial consulting. Provide financial planning, budgeting or invest advice. Photo editing. Edit and retouch photo for professional or personal use. Whiteboard animation. Create an engaging whiteboard animation video for presentation or tutorial. Mobile app development. Develop mobile app for Android or iOS platform. Online language lesson. Teach language through online lesson or conversation practice. Math and physics problem solving. Help with math and physics problem or tutoring. Game testing. Test and review video game for developer. Relationship advice. Offer counseling and advice or relationships. Architectural design. Provide architectural drawing plan and 3D model. SEO writing. Write SEO-friendly content to improve website ranking. Language translation. Translate written or spoken content between languages. Product review. Write detailed and honest review of product or service. Handmade craft. Sell handmade craft, jewelry or artwork. Programming language tutoring. Teach programming language like Python, Java and etc. Database management. Offer service related database setup, management and optimization. Data analysis. Analyze data set and provide insight, chart and graph. Script writing. Write script for video, animation or podcast. Customer service. Provide customer support by email, chat or phone calls. Social media advertising. Create and manage social media ad campaign for business.